In this video, you will learn how to replace a processor in a CPU. First, you will need to remove the CPU cooler above from your processor. Now, remove the existing processor. In new processor, you will find a triangle over here that cross-bonds with the triangle over the socket. So align everything up. Now flip the retention bracket down into the place, making sure to align the prongs under the retention bracket. Now pull the retention arm down and lock it back into his place. Now you will need to paste the thermal paste above the processor like this. Now install your CPU cooler and plug it back to motherboard. So, this is a way how to replace the processor of a desktop CPU.